Hello everyone, welcome to a new video. Today we are going to tear down this board and we're gonna change this tire. So yeah, enjoy the tear down. This bolt, and this bolt are all stuck together, over torqued. So when I try to get this out of here, I deform the screw and I can't get it out. So
Dale que estoy próximo. Vamos que salió.
Screw you. Maldito tornillo de mierda.
1 week later.
Okay, so it's full of dust because of our trail riding, and yeah, you disconnect the footpad here, twisting it. This should be able to be twisted, and it's twisting, you know, with your fingers. You wanna, there we go, now it's loosened. You wanna pull back straight, you don't wanna bend the footpad pins. I'm gonna take this footpad cable, you know, out of the way. Want to rotate the board, and we're gonna remove these two remaining screws that I left out here. Stuck. Oh, there we go. We can just place that here in the meantime. So in order to remove the tire or the motor, you're gonna need one of these. This is an M8 Allen key. It's not in focus, but yeah, it's just an M8. It should fit right here, like so. And before we do this, we're gonna unplug the motor cable. Okay, so you should be able to twist this with your hand, like so. So you can see it has a rotating ring here, which secures the motor cable. All the way back, and I should be able to need more leeway. Okay, mistakes were made because I thought this was just like an XR, but I don't have enough leeway to pull out the motor cable as smooth as I would like to. And if I remove all screws from the motor sides, I can just pull the hub out because I pull on the battery harness. And if I try to do that on, you know, upside down, I'm gonna pull from that cable. So what I'm gonna do is I put this bolts back in, and I'm going to remove this whole rail, prop the board to its side, and then I will have no rail to pull the motor cable out straight. So yeah, it's my first time doing this, and it's also yours, so we're both learning. Cool. Okay, so now that the rail is out, I can just twist this, and I should have enough room, you know, to just pull it out gently. And there we go. Plug is clean as heck. Okay, so this is the poor man's kit to change the tire. You're gonna need 1 valve remover, 2 tire levers, sorry about that, 1 pump, a little bit of Vaseline to make the bead move over the rim, and you're gonna need 3 of these frames, 1 big ass 12x4 block and 2 small ones, which I'll show you right now. Okay, so the first thing you're gonna do is you're gonna prop up your motor like so over the blocks, which are very dirty. I'm sorry about that. We're gonna work this way. We're gonna place the motor over the logs, and we're gonna use some cloth to protect the motor cable, which is very important that you do. Then you're gonna take your valve remover and simply place it here. It locks in. You're gonna slowly turn it counterclockwise. Get it out. The air will just go out, as you can see. There's some air left in this tire, and we have our valve. So we place this somewhere safe so we don't lose it. And now the tire is ready to be popped. To press the tire against the wall, and we're gonna break the bead. Now some people do it by hand, but I'm just weak as fuck. And well, there's no sugarcoating this part. You just need to be strong and believe in yourself and just push it down as hard as you can. So 1, 2, 3. I am defeated. I will find another option to get this tire out. I can't do it. Not like this.
1 week later.
So Gary wanted to be a part of this, so I'm including him. Theory, I should just put this here and I should be able to push. Move it a little bit closer. There we go. Okay, I need it to be like this. That's too much. There you go, got it. Tired. Whatever reason. There you go, Jesus. Thank you, tool. That was okay, so to get the tire off, this rim has a little groovy here. You wanna fit the tire in, like the bead, you wanna fit it in from the opposite side. So you're gonna push it like so. I'm gonna fit it in here. And you take your bike lever thingies and you squeeze them in here. Maybe use a couple, and then use your knee as reference. Yeah, this is gonna suck. I can feel it already. Let's see if I can do it with just one hand. There goes one. There goes the other one. Come on. Okay. Now that I'm here, pick it up. Push it here. Create this leg to grab onto. push the tire over with my body weight, and there you go. You'll be able to pull the motor from this side, and then being very careful, you know, with the motor cable. You're gonna use all your weight here. Get that motor out. And that's how you get this stupid tire off your motor. And all of these black thingies are paint you just scrapped off for whatever reason. So let's place this here, and now we mount the new tire. Okay, so now we're gonna mount the new tire. This is our new tire. It's a fresh Street Pro 2 from the Float Life. Remember that if you want to buy tires from the Float Life, you can use my code Portugeek and you will get a 5% discount. So yeah, you'll see this is probably a lot easier than getting the Thunder tire out. Now there's a trick for this. These tires have this mark here. Now, if I understand it correctly, this mark should match the position of the valve, and that is to keep the tire balanced, you know, mass rotation wise with the motor. So that should be the perfect way to install it. So we're gonna try that. So if I need this to match this side, it needs to end up like this. So what you want to do is you want to mount this from this side, because you mount this side first, and you don't want to mess too much with the motor cable. So I'm going to put the motor here, place the tire on the ground, and myself. And the idea is that you should just be able to squeeze this in. Okay. I'm just chipping away motor paint, so I'm gonna do a trick. This guy, Vaseline. Why the hell not? It literally can't hurt. It can only help. This is supposed to, you know, lubricate, reduce friction, make it all just slide in. Nice and easy. That's why. Well, that was easier. Okay, and now that it's done, what you have to do is grab it like so. You can push in with your knee here, and once it's, you know, below the edge of the rim, you can just use your hands on the sides too. Yeah. And that's how you do it in like 4 days. Okay, mistakes were made. It worked. Yay! Okay, so now that you have finally set your bead, you're gonna take your little valve thingy and install it back with your tool. Just drop it in there. And there you go. Your tire is now set.